Morning. Today I'm going to cover about Spark's very important parts, which include Spark join, union, and window function. So we are going to cover here join, and union all, and different kind of windowing function. These are very important part of the Spark. So Spark offer more involved and a complex function that support aggregation, collection of collection, datetime, maths, and string, and sorting, and windowing each function. We see the example of join, union, and windowing in this lesson. So please watch and like and subscribe my channel. So the join, how it works. So join, if you know the SQL, the same way that Spark SQL also works. So if you use the data frame, then the little bit different syntax, but it's more about the like pandas. So join can be performed between two data frames, right, and tables. By default, Spark executes inner joins between table, but it has support of cross outer or full outer or left outers or right outer or left semi join. Let's work, for example. So I'm joining here two data frames. So I created movie data frames, and the second one is actor data frames. Then joining based on the common column. So it's an inner join. So if you see the data, it's showing like this. So if you see here, the actor names will be same in the both. Actor, and first one is actor, so Govinda, second, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. So it's the same, then it will join. So after this, we are going to do the practice. And now next part is union, and as you know in the SQL union, what it will do, it also do the join, or it combine the data, but union, the one special condition is when you're doing union, the data type of the two union means to merge, or it's kind of merge, should be same. So union operation allow us to combine two data frames with the same schema together. As a connected example, consider we want to find all movie except those were released in 2010. We can first create data frames of movie that was released in prior to 2010, and then create the second data frame which movie after 2000. So we want to avoid the 2010s data. So we can use the the union. So first data frame, what we did, we just data frame select title, and where the release year is greater than 2010, and the second data frame we just less than 2010, and then we did data frame 1 dot union and data frame dot true. So it's a very simple, but there is a one more function union also that can keep if you do union, it will give the duplicate data with same record in the second. So next, very important, and all the SQL interview they will ask how the window function is work. Window is sometimes you need to define the time frame or grouping, and then you need to assign like what order on you need to perform. So there are many window functions like sum, rank, dense rank, average, min, max. So we are going to hear rank function or something, but you can apply something. So windowing function allow us to answer the questions that may span multiple individual query or the hard to express without windowing function. There are three kind of windowing function: ranking function, analytical function, aggregate function. For example, we work the dense rank function, which is ranking function. Suppose we want to write a query, output the movie, and based in second rating the year. So here you see the rating. If you want to rank within a window movie release of given year, that is not looking to ranking across the data, the subzone. This is so dense rank. What if the same data will give? It will give the same rank. So let's go to the basically rank and dense rank. There is a little bit difference. Rank will always give number 1, 2, 3. It will not repeat anything. But dense rank, if the group by and order everything is same, then it will give same rank, and then it will. So this is how. So let's do some example using our coding. So this part I just practice. So what I'm going to do. So what I did, I just create a temp view, and how. So let's see the data into temp view SQL. So Spark .SQL. So we using .SQL we can execute any SQL, and we can select like select. What I'm going to do here, we are going to do select start from see the data from this view 2, and here we can show the source and 10 or something, or truncate equal to false FALC. So it will give all the data. I mean, it will not, if the string is long, it will also show. So here something is error. Select Spark, select start from v2, so truncate equal to false. Why it's giving error? Let me see what the problem. Assume is here. Okay. So we missed one item here. One bracket, truncate equal to false. So let's run this code and see the output of the data. And the Scala program is running, and you can see the logs if you want to analyze how the Spark is working. So I have data title, release year, hit hop, actor. So what I'm going to do here is first let's work on rank function. So rank, I'm thinking, so let's do SQL query QURY, and then if you give 3 bracket sorry, so I just want to write here SQL query. So what I can say, val, and here we can write SQL. Okay, so select like this, and select from this table, and then I'm going to use all this column, right? Title, release year, and then I'm going to hit top, and then I'm going to select this actor. So what we can do based on the release years, and based on the release year we give the rank of the movie. So let's do based on this. I mean, every year we will give the hit or break and then print of that row. So how we do? So I'm going to use the row number first. Row number. So this is syntax, and row number, then partition by over. So we need to use like over, and in this one we are going to use partition by. I'm just using same syntax, so I don't want to copy. Over, partition by release year. So this is release year. I mean, partition by is just grouping. Then order by hit hop decrement. So after that, let me run. Just we pass here like this. Hopefully it will work. So let's see. So first we are going with the function. It's very simple. Nothing. What I did, I just write query, and it give the row number rank. So it give to 2013. It checks 666 all the 6, then it give rank. So it, as I said, it will not any one of them it will create ranks random, because all the year is same and hit is the ratio same, and then it will be. So you can also use dense rank and all these things. Okay, and similarly way I'm going to use the function called yeah, so as we discussed, we need to use the join function. So I'm trying join function. So first I created actor data frame, select actor name, and then second is selecting all data, and then just selecting the joining and getting the matching data. So this will give the the joining data. Let's try if it is work. Yeah, so if you see here, we joined two tables. So here we joined based on the actor name, and here is the actor. So this is same name, then it came. So this is kind of join, inner join. You can use left join. This is simple using data frame join. You can use SQL join. In the SQL, you can use join and apply. So there is a union function which I prepared. I just select data called title and the years. Here greater than to 2010, here less than 2010, and then unioning all. So I just want to remove 2010 data. So what I create two data frame, then union means merging together. So let's see this example. It's running. So you see the title we print and it did union all, so all the data. So this is what we discussed today. Three functions as a recap. We discussed about three things. First one is join. Second one is union. Third one is rank or window function. So please like and subscribe my channel and practice your own way. I'm going to put these things in GitHub, so I will provide this link to my video. So what are the changes we made? Git add, then git commit -m and window function, right? And then I'll put git post, so it will go to GitHub. And yeah, thank you for watching.